Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to effectively utilize your replace command to treat or to handle some unusual values in your variable. Okay, so in some situations that you may have extremely outlier values that may not make sense. So you don't want to remove them, because in that case you lose your data, or you lose observation from that variable for all the variables, right? So you want to keep it, but you want to treat them as missing data. So let me show you how to identify such unusual values. So I'm going to use a command called spike plot. So this is spike plot, and then drag the variable here, SPB. I'm using this variable, systolic blood pressure, and hit enter. So you will see that the values are given here, but you can see this is a high value, and then this is the extremely high value. This may not be realistically possible to have such a high level of systolic blood pressure, so they may not be true in your data set. So what you want to do is you just treat them as a missing value instead of keeping this way. So how we want to do it is, so we want to use a command called replace, and then the name of the variable is BP equals dot. So dot in Stata means missing value. If, so as you can see that most data are like less than 250, let's say 250, but this one is like more than 700, so which, very unusual, may not be true observation, realistically not possible. So now let's remove, or let's treat anything above 400 as missing value. So we're going to say that if is BP is greater than, let's say, 400, and we'll type and exclamatory sign missing, and they're not missing. So yeah, we're gonna treat them as missing, SBP, and hit enter. So now one real change made, 1 to missing. So that observation is now being treated as missing. So get rid of this spike plot, and we're gonna use this spike plot again, and see that now this is the highest value, slightly more than 250, but that observation has been now treated into a missing value, so no longer exists in this spike plot. So this is how you effectively use a replace command in order to treat them as a missing value, but also the spike plot to identify those unusual. It's not an outlier. I think it's more of a mistake in your inputs or something else. So I was handling outliers. There's other way of doing that, but this is very unusual and may not be true observation. So thanks for watching. I hope this makes sense, and if this was helpful, please subscribe to my channel.